One thing I've changed for this school year is I've gone almost completely digital with my class. For anybody who has young children in the district, they've seen what our students can do with Seesaw and the way they can manipulate their activities and move things around, and we can't do anything like that in Schoology. So what I've done is started to assign activities in which I use the Smart Notebook program that students have in their laptops, and I'm using this for graphic organizers instead of paper graphic organizers. So I provide the web for the students where they can move around the items, and when they think it's in the right spot, they can actually lock it into place so that it can't be moved, just like I did with mine. And then that way they can keep that in their notes. Another thing I've used with Smart Notebook is I can make activities with it. I'm doing one on the process of a bill becoming a law, in which they can go to the different points in the image and see the labels where they're supposed to go. Can tell you what the label is, as well as some additional information that would go along with the item.